Here, a quick addition to the cinematic option with three. Um, so I have an empty space here. I don't have anything in my level yet. I'm gonna create here now. There's called add level sequence with shots. It's not a master sequence anymore. So I'm gonna call it. In my case, this is the creature, and I'm gonna be loading a prop sequence. And I'm gonna be loading. I'm gonna do two frames, two shots rather, 5 seconds each one. I'm gonna create the level sequence. This one is, the shot number and all of the information is there. So I'm gonna say create level sequence. And we got it there. So I have it empty. I'm gonna start with my first shot, and that one I'm going to have. Right now I have my camera, and I have my camera component there, but I don't have anything in my stage just yet. I'm going to try to bring it down here a little bit so I can open up some space for it. And well, one of the options is to add, of course, the page, so I loads a bit easier. Here, some load. In this case, actually here under content drawer, I'm going to load my. See if I can open up here some space. Load my assets. I'm gonna start loading my dinosaur and making sure that the details for it are 000. So you need to your pivot points correctly. I'm gonna just frame it there. So there is, and I'm going to also add my second object. In this case, I'm going to add, you know, the, what would be the prop in second object. So I'm gonna grab my robot. Same trick here. I haven't saved the levels yet, so this is just me placing them there so I can use them for my level. 000. That way it's aligned and it matches the space that it needs to match. So now I need to add my, in my shot, I need to add the assets. I'm going to add track, and I add it to the sequencer, and there I add my post dinosaur, and now I'm going to add my second one, which is my robot post. So that way I can go and animate them. But in this case, we don't want to animate both. We just want to animate the main one. In this case, would be my dinosaur. So I'm going to make my robot. Try to scroll down a little bit here. My robot. I wanted to be able to connect to the dinosaur. So I'm gonna say assign um, the actor to, actually rather not assign the actor there, but I want to holding on the plus here. I want to attach uh, the the robot to the dinosaur. So I'm gonna attach it to the dinosaur. That way, the robot, there is a diagonal post, is the one that's giving it. So now, if I go and animate the dinosaur, I will be able to, let me see if you can scroll down here. I'm going to be able to rotate the dinosaur on that yaw. I'm going to just give it a keyframe here, and then halfway in, let's say my frame 75 here. I'm going to make it rotate 360. So that way when it rotates both of them rotate, right? And after that, it's just pretty much the same process as shown in the previous video. I can look at it through my cinematic actor camera so that I can make sure that I'm looking at them with the proper angle. You decide what that angle is. And of course, in your cinematic actor camera, you would work on your information to get your, trying to get down there, trying to get your information for your camera modification in terms of the camera component for the manual focus. So I would just want to probably get it larger um, and get it big so I can really look at the frame as big as possible to define sharpness. In this case seems to be like 800. That way I got my shot doing what it needs to do. Try to bring it back to where it was before. So not getting my layout back the way I wanted, but anyways, that's the way it is right now, and you should be able now to modify um, your dino animation from this point. Right now the dino spins once, and we're going to just simply go in there and modify the linear C to make it go loop, and then we're going to go and say the pre-infinity cycle, and then the post-infinity cycle as well. That way, actually not cycle offset, post-infinity cycle and offset. That way it continues on it. Save that and save my level. I have not saved my level, so I'm going to save my level. And okay, and now I should be able to play back both my creature and my prop in this case are spinning at the right speed. And from there, you can shot as shown in the other video, where you would animate your camera in the same manner, and you need to load your actors again and do your camera move, save it out, and then when you're ready, you would export your final movie as a sequence. So with this, I hope that helps you with the setup of objects to be animated.